You know what I really hate? Sneezes. Like, when people sneeze, I don't really care. But when I sneeze, I hate when I sneeze. Because it's either really, really quiet, but it's like, it makes my throat feel like it's being stabbed by a rusty fork, and my head just kind of explodes, or it's really fucking loud. I mean, everybody looks at me like I have some type of weird nose condition. I don't know, nose condition? Like I'm sick with pneumonia and I'm gonna kill them all. Or it's kind of in between, but like a bunch of stuff just explodes out of your nose. Especially when that happens in front of the person you like. Or in front of a friend who may or may not judge you. In which case they probably aren't very good friends, because if they decide to leave you for just having a weird sneeze, it's not really that weird, it's just kind of gross. Yeah, so basically, I hate it. I hate sneezes. I hope they burn in hell. Covered in cheese. But the bad cheese. Like moldy cheese. Because no one likes moldy cheese. No one likes moldy cheese. Sneezes can go burn in hell. Yeah. I don't know, that face is weird. I think that I can cross my eyes, can I? I don't know. I think I can. I mean, like, I could do it on my Facebook profile picture and shit. But you wouldn't know that. Well, actually, you guys would, because the only people who actually watch my videos are the people who I'm friends with on Facebook, which kind of sucks a little bit, meaning that I guess people don't like my videos, or they just don't find my videos, which really kind of sucks. I'm rambling on again. So anyway, sneezes suck. And then that weird sneeze where it feels like you're going to sneeze, but you never do. And now random one where it's like, you're okay, you don't feel like sneezing, but then suddenly out of nowhere, it just like attacks you. It just flies out of your nose. As if it's got like, as if it's like late to an appointment or something. It's like, fuck you, I'm out of here. And then just snot goes all over the person next to you. And then they look at you weirdly. And never talk to you again. And possibly cry a little bit. It happened once. I sneezed on someone and then they started crying. I hate sneezes. I really, really hate sneezes. Yeah. Pointless video. Sneezes should go burn in hell. Bye.